The poem that we are going to discuss today is Aunt Jennifer's Tiger. It is written by Adrian Rich. Let us know briefly about the poet. Adrian Rich was born in USA in 1929. She was widely known for her association in the contemporary women's movement. In most of her poems, she deals with various issues related to women. Let us know briefly about the poem. The poem is a beautiful expression of the plight of woman who suffers throughout her married life till death. It throws light on how married women are suppressed in a male-dominated society. Being unable to face exploitation done by her husband with courage, the woman in the poem expresses her desire to be fearless and free by embroidering tigers in her panel. Let us discuss the poem stanza-wise. The first stanza goes like that. Aunt Jennifer's tigers prance across a screen, pride toppers, denizens of a world of green. They do not fear the man beneath the tree. They pace in sleek, chivalric certainty. Explanation of the first stanza. The woman in the poem, who is Aunt Jennifer, is embroidering tigers in her panel. Topaz is used to signify bright yellow color, which is actually a bright yellow stone. Just like the tigers move in jungle freely, they are the denizens of the jungle. The tigers created by Aunt Jennifer are also prancing across the screen, means shown moving proudly in the cloth where she is embroidering the tigers. The tiger symbolizes fearlessness, confidence, and independence, as they are not dependent on others. The fact that Aunt Jennifer is creating these tigers shows her inner desire to possess these qualities which she doesn't really have in her real life. Let us come to the next stanza. The second stanza. Aunt Jennifer's fingers fluttering through wool find even the ivory needle hard to pull. The massive weight of Uncle's wedding band sits heavily upon Aunt Jennifer's hand. Aunt Jennifer's fingers are trembling while embroidering the tigers, as if she could not even lift the small ivory needle, as if she was overburdened by the massive weight of Uncle's wedding ring. The ring is not usually so heavy that a person cannot bear its weight. But here in the poem, this symbolizes that she is overburdened by the exploitation done by her husband and always in fear. Let us come to the third stanza. When Aunt is dead, her terrified hands will lie, still ringed with ordeals she was mastered by. The tigers in the panel she made will go on prancing, proud and unafraid. The explanation of the last stanza. Ordeal means a very unpleasant and prolonged experience. As the ring will be there in her hand till her death, her suffering will also continue till her death. The tigers that she created in her panel will go on prancing proud and unafraid, which will immortalize her desire to be free and unafraid, which is not fulfilled in her lifetime. Let us discuss some word meanings. Prance, move with high, springy steps. Stoppers, a precious yellow stone, fluttering, moving with trembling motion. Ordeal, a very unpleasant and prolonged experience.